Alright boys, so you want to use fitness apps, but do they even work? That's what we're going to answer today. Let's hop into the video. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Do they work? But before we answer that, we actually have to define what work means first. So pretty much an app that provides an adequate and continuous stimulus for muscle growth and strength development. Pretty much an app where you see progress when you use it to its full capacity. Okay, now that we have that answered, so now do they work? It depends on the app, but generally the popular apps like Mad Bars, Thenics, and Thenics by Chris Heria, those apps do provide a continuous stimulus for muscle growth and strength development, but here's the catch. They provide it if you are a beginner, if you've never really done training before, or if you're just getting into training now. Advanced athletes on the other side won't benefit as much because it's just relatively too easy. For some of you that are new or have just started following this channel, I started training back in 2013 by myself because I aspired to be like the great Bruce Lee. I actually have his poster right here. But yeah, I started in 2013 and later transitioned into working out with a group with my family friends. And during that time was one of the best times ever. But we were following a workout plan, but it was from an app. Or it was Mad Bars. The time that we were using Mad Bars, their whole interface was different back then. It was very simple. It's pretty much, if you were to Google search right now calisthenic workouts and go to Google Images, you will see the old school workout plans that we used to do. We used to follow that from that app. And yes, we would get significant gains in strength development from those workouts because, well, back then I never did pull-ups, I only did push-ups. So I gained a lot back then. And also I was starting to get my diet, my nutrition in check. So I was also putting on quite a bit of weight. But yes, if you're a beginner, the newbie gains are going to kick in. You are going to get stronger. You're going to feel it. You're going to feel better. But for the advanced guys, you've been training for over 2-3 years or even longer, you're not going to advance that much. But that shouldn't deter you from trying the apps out or recommending it to a friend because they do work. But if you are someone who does have experience with programming workouts and making workouts, then those workouts, whether they are easy or not, they will help you grow. Because as an advanced athlete, we know how to construct workouts that are going to push us. No matter what exercises there are, we can take a beginner workout from knee push-ups and make that difficult. But yeah, I was working out with that group from 2014 to 15, I believe. Then I started training by myself. During that time, I was still using a little bit of the Mad Bars apps and some of the other apps like Thenics. But yeah, over time, I started constructing my own workouts, learning from other people like Elliot Hole, Strength Camp, Jeff Cavalier, and started making my own workouts to provide an even more intense stimulus for me to grow. Okay, so let's go over the best apps that helped me to progress when I was first starting out. Like I was saying, Mad Bars, Thenics, there's two of them. There's a Chris Heria one and there's a different one. Freeletics is okay. And there's also another one that's called Home Workout and has its own series of apps. That one's also good as well. But honestly though, if you were to experience any one of these apps for an extended amount of time, you will see progress and you will really enjoy your training because it's not mundane, it's not tedious, it's not boring. You have, it's pretty easy to go to the park or go to the gym, log into your app and just select the workout, what body part you want to work and just do it. It's fun, it's very fun. I've had thoughts of constructing my own app so I can adjust my programs and put that in app form so it's easy for me to follow instead of like a Word document. So generally there are good ones, but I would never say there are bad ones. There are only ones that won't help you progress. There are only ones that won't continuously help you improve your strength and improve your muscle gain. That is up to you. In order for you to continuously grow and to get better as a person, you have to always push yourself in your workouts. My philosophy in training through the entirety of my journey from 2013 to now has always been to make hard easy. If the human flag or the front lever or any of the moves or exercises were hard to me, I had an obligation, a duty to make that easy. And as soon as that became easy, I had to find a way to make my workouts and those exercises hard again. That's my training philosophy and that's how I continuously grow. Personally, quarantine hit me like a bullet. I ate way too much, I wasn't watching my diet, I wasn't training as hard. Now I'm starting to get back into it. Hopefully I'm looking for a body recomp. Hopefully it's there. In general, these apps are going to help you if you push yourself in general. Any kind of workout will push you. 100 burpees, 10 burpees, they will push you based on your effort. I always say your workout is only as good as the effort that you put in. And that's all that matters. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a pretty quick video. It's kind of a no-brainer, it's common sense. But yeah, I felt the need to make this because a lot of people are trying to find a bit more convenience in getting their fitness journey started. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you found value in it. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.